Hi, this is your friend and homeopath, Dr. Sujata Naik. Every year, the month of February is followed as the Cancer Awareness Month. According to the Indian Council of Medical Research, India has almost 2.5 million cancer cases and 1.4 million are added every year. With more and more people surviving cancer, living with it, and battling with it, we need to have more modes of treatment to battle this or treat this dreaded disease. While surgery, chemotherapy, radiation, immunotherapy, and targeted therapy still remain the frontline approaches for cancer treatment, we must explore the role of supportive treatments or alternative treatments like homeopathy in cancer care. We know that cancer is an extremely dreaded, deep seated pathological disease and must be treated aggressively through conventional treatment. At the same time, the conventional treatment, the modern medicine, the chemotherapy, or the radiation comes with its own set of side effects. Cancer itself being a dreaded disease, it's like a writing on the wall. Patients suffer from several emotional and mental problems during the cancer and the cancer treatment. Homeopathy has a huge role as a supportive therapy in helping these patients through these symptoms, improving their quality of life, and also making them feel better. Let me enumerate some of the problems where homeopathy can help cancer patients. Most important is when the diagnosis of cancer is made. The patient goes through several issues, several emotional issues at that time, accepting that he has cancer, and then going through the whole treatment where he may suffer from problems like low self esteem, guilt, denial, sleep loss, and even grief, not only for the patient but also for the primary caregiver. Here, homeopathic remedies can help the patient reduce these symptoms and cope with his disease much better. Now, for the symptoms associated with the cancer treatment, chemotherapy related nausea and vomiting, homeopathic remedies like cocculus, gelsemium, ipecac are great remedies to reduce nausea during chemotherapy. The other problems that can arise are radiation induced irritation of the skin. Here again, we have medicines like cantharis, apis, and several others which can help the patient reduce those symptoms. There can be symptoms like peripheral neuropathy, like numbness and tingling with cancer treatment. Again, there are remedies like hypericum or belladonna or bellispur which can help the patient. So there are several remedies out of thousands of homeopathic remedies which can suit the patient for his symptom at that time. There are some other problems as well as like skin related issues, or they can suffer from opportunistic infections like fungal skin infections. A lot of patients on radiation and chemotherapy for oral cancer often suffer from mouth ulcers. Here, homeopathy can not only help reduce the symptoms related to the mouth ulcers, but they can help the patient continue with this chemotherapy and radiation. So there is no reduction or there is no hindrance to the treatment, and the patient can complete his cancer treatment without any problem. Let me also warn the patients who seek alternative treatment sometimes just because they do not want to go through the cancer treatment like chemotherapy. They're afraid of radiation or are afraid of surgery. So I have to tell this at the outset that homeopathy is not a substitute for chemotherapy or for radiation. In problems like cancer, it can offer a huge supportive role and which can actually help improve the quality of life and maybe help the patient go through his cancer treatment much faster and without any hindrances or side effects. So friends, let us all get together and battle this dreaded disease all together in whatever ways we can in a very safe and effective manner. And while understanding that cancer itself need not be the dreaded disease anymore, because there are so many treatments that can help the patient sail safely and effectively through it. Thank you.